Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yashasvi Sangvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio, Indore. If you are new here, take a second and do subscribe my YouTube channel. So today we are up with a quick and easy decor which even kids can try. We are going to make boho style spoon set. So let's begin.
So the materials we are going to use are marine blue chalk paint, gold chalk paint, red chalk paint, yellow, white and black. Also we are going to use a twine and an MDF spoon set and some stencils in the 4x8 and 12x12 size by Icraft. Some colored printouts. Now for the first step, I am going to paint my spoon with the help of the red color. The shade name is Rouge. You have to cover the whole spoon using this red color. And later on, I will be taking a pinch of yellow to give the shaded effect. Now for the second spoon, I am going to use my color marine blue. Similarly, you have to cover the whole spoon. And at the top, I am going to use a tinge of yellow to give the shaded effect again. Now for my last spoon, I am going to use the yellow color, that is the sunny yellow. Again you have to cover the whole spoon using this solid color. And for the shading effect on this yellow spoon, I will be using tinge of red to give it a shaded effect. Make sure that you cover the complete base. And also do not forget to paint the edges. Once they are painted, let them dry naturally, or you can dry with the help of a hairdryer or a heat tool. Chalk paints take a very less time to dry, so you can also leave them dry naturally. Now once they are dried, take the A4 printouts which you took and you have to fuzzy cut the images now. Make sure that you cut the image end to end. As I told you, our theme is boho, so I am using the images related to that theme. You have to cut all the other images similarly. Now we are going to take a mandala stencil, and with the help of black color I am going to stencil on my first spoon. You can place the stencil in whatever manner you want your stencil print to look like. Now I will shift my stencil from the center and I am going to apply my white chalk paint to give a shadow effect. I will be taking a background stencil and I will be creating a shading effect. Now for my second spoon also, we will be using that mandala stencil, and I am first doing the stencil with the white color. I will again shift my stencil and apply yellow color. Now again using a background stencil, I am going to give some impressions. Now for my third spoon, I am taking my yellow color and applying over my stencil. Now again I will shift it from the center and use my black color to give the impression, to create a shadow effect again. Now once you are done with it, we are again going to take a background stencil, and now with the help of red color, I am going to create my impressions. I will give a patch at the bottom also. Now these are our 3 spoons. Now for sticking the digital image which we took from the printout shop, I will be using my Decoupage adhesive. You can use any adhesive of any brand what you use for your regular craft works. Apply the glue on the base and crease out the image. Make sure that there are no air bubbles while pasting the image. And we are done with our spoons. Look how cute they are. How cool they are going to look in your kitchen. Just perfect for any sort of decor. I am loving them totally. I hope you are also loving them. Now I am applying some glue and I will be tying my rope over around. Make sure that you glue the rope well. You can use any cotton or wool twine to do the same process. Just make sure that you fix it well. You have to apply the same procedure on all the 3 spoons. Also ensure that the twine used in all the 3 spoons is similar. Now this is a Glitzy gel. It is a 3D dimensional gel. I am using this to enhance some of the elements of my spoon. As you can see, I am only applying this gel to few of the areas of my print. While using this gel, make sure that your tip is touching the base. It is totally your choice which area you want a 3D effect. As I am applying gel on the turban of this man, this will make the turban look 3D after drying. Make sure that the application is even on all the parts. Now you can see the 3D layer formed after applying the gel. Allow it to dry for 3 to 4 hours.
So these are the outcome of the video tutorial. This is the first spoon, this is the second spoon, and this is the third spoon. These are all the 3 spoons which we did today. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed making these spoons with me. Do not forget to follow me on my Facebook and Instagram handle. The link for the same are in the description box. Thank you for watching.